Even though enjoying an occasional salty snack is perfectly healthy for most people, some may need to limit their salt intake to manage certain medical conditions, including kidney disease and high blood pressure. Fortunately for salt lovers, various nutritious salty snacks can be used to satisfy salty cravings. And in this video we bring you 10 healthy salty snacks. Starting with number 1. Nuts. Walnuts, pecans, almonds, whatever kind you prefer, a small handful makes a great snack. They're full of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They also have minerals like magnesium. Skip the kinds that are dry roasted or flavored, they're higher in sodium. Instead, add your own dash of flavor with cayenne pepper or cinnamon. 2. String cheese. You don't have to be a kid to enjoy this lunchbox staple. It's also high in calcium, which is good for your bones and teeth. The combo of lean protein and fiber-rich carbs help keep you fueled until your next meal. Look for low or reduced sodium options. 3. Edamame. These young soybeans have a mild, buttery flavor that's easy to like. And a 3/4 cup serving has just 7 grams of sodium. Edamame is also packed with vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that help protect your heart and lower your risk of some cancers. Look for edamame in the frozen food section. Steam or microwave, then sprinkle with a hint of salt and your favorite seasoning. 4. Popcorn. That bucket of movie popcorn can have over 1,000 calories and up to 2,650 milligrams of sodium. Air pop your own at home for a high fiber, low sodium, and low calorie snack. That's because you control how it's prepared. Go easy on the oil and butter. Instead of powdered flavorings or salt, try out different spices and seasonings, from curry powder to a mix of cumin, paprika, and chili powder. 5. Seeds. Don't let their small size fool you. Seeds, like pumpkin and sunflower, are loaded with healthy omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, antioxidants, and protein. They're also a good option if you have an allergy to peanuts or tree nuts. Seeds are high in calories, so stick to a small handful. Choose unsalted or lightly salted versions so you don't overdo it on the sodium. 6. Mini pizza. One slice of cheese pizza can have as much as 730 milligrams of sodium. When you crave pizza but not the salt, top a toasted whole wheat English muffin or pita with 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, 1/2 cup diced veggies of your choice, and 2 tablespoons low-fat mozzarella cheese. Seven. Roasted chickpeas. Also called garbanzo beans, they're a crunchy, high-fiber snack. Rinse a can of chickpeas and pat dry with a paper towel. Mix with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and your choice of spices. Try garlic powder, pepper, cumin, chili powder, or whatever savory mix you like. Spread onto a foil-lined baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. 8. Hard-boiled egg. When you need a fast snack to stave off hunger, a hard-boiled egg may be the way to go. Just one has 6 grams of protein to help fill you up. Eggs are high in nutrients like vitamin D, which is good for bone health. And they also have lutein, which helps protect your eyes. Because eggs are high in cholesterol, try not to eat more than 1 a day. If you have diabetes or heart disease, aim for no more than 2 to 3 eggs each week. 9. Low-sodium chips and salsa. Still craving that bag of chips? Go for it. Just choose your healthiest option. Opt for reduced sodium potato or baked tortilla chips. Or look for unsalted whole grain pretzels. Pair with salsa to add more nutrients and flavor. Just make sure the salsa isn't loaded with salt or sugar. Or make your own. 10. Baked potato. Potatoes contain almost no sodium, while being high in vitamins B and C and potassium. They're also a good source of folate and iron. Microwave a small potato and top with reduced fat shredded cheese and salsa for a hearty snack.